small pebble. Swing. A swing lifts you up high and swoops you back down again. Can you say swing? Whoosh, up you go, then back down you swing. Swing. Slide. A slide zooms you down fast from the top all the way to the bottom. Can you say slide? Whee! Down you go. Slide. Seesaw. A seesaw goes up and down when two friends take turns bouncing. Can you say seesaw? Parents, subscribe for more calm learning videos. Seesaw. Sandbox. A sandbox is full of soft sand for digging, scooping, and building castles. Can you say sandbox? Let's build something together. Sandbox. Monkey bars. Monkey bars help you swing hand over hand all the way across the top. Can you say monkey bars? One hand, then the other. Monkey bars. Merry-go-round. A merry-go-round spins round and round with happy giggles. Can you say merry-go-round? Round and round we go. Merry-go-round. Trampoline. A trampoline bounces you high, high up into the air. Can you say trampoline? Boing, boing, up you go. Trampoline. Sprinkler. A sprinkler sprays cool water in a sparkly rainbow arc. Can you say sprinkler? Run through and splash. Sprinkler. Kite. A kite dances high in the sky, held by a long string. Can you say kite? Up, up it flies. Kite. Hopscotch. Hopscotch is a hopping game with numbers drawn in colorful squares. Can you say hopscotch? Hop, hop, hop along. Hopscotch. Jump rope. A jump rope swings around while you hop over it again and again. Can you say jump rope? Hop, hop, over you go. Jump rope. Climbing dome. A climbing dome is a big round web of bars just right for climbing up. Can you say climbing dome? Up, up, up you go. Climbing dome. Splash pad. A splash pad shoots up little fountains of water, perfect for splashing. Can you say splash pad? Splish, splash, so much fun. Splash pad. Balance beam. A balance beam is a low bar for walking carefully across, 1 foot at a time. Can you say balance beam? Steady, steady, all the way. Balance beam. Picnic table. A picnic table is a cozy spot for yummy snacks in the park. Can you say picnic table? Time for a snack. Picnic table. Wow, what an amazing adventure we had today. We played on the swing, zoomed down the slide, and bounced on the trampoline. Every single part of the park is so wonderfully fun. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Goodbye, little explorer. See you in the next adventure. For more fun learning videos, visit our channel, World of Small Pebbles.